Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing the study properly. You are utilizing your time. So, today, our new topic related to the lesson number 10, different ways to define a method. Already, we have discussed earlier in previous videos what are the methods, what are the types of methods. Okay, so today we will discuss about the different how can we define a method in different way. Understood? Clear? So first one, there are two ways to define a method. Okay, first one, methods may or may not take values as parameters. Means parameters in last video or yesterday I explained about the parameters. So methods may or may not take value as parameters. So look at the first example. Suppose method not taking parameters, means if method is blank, it is not taking in as a any variables as a parameters. You can see void sum is a method. Okay, then there is no parameter with this within these two parentheses. Okay, so that is the methods not taking parameters. Clear? So void is a sum is a method. Okay, then it will give the result. Void gives the returns. Then now look at the main body of the program. You can see these two curly braces is the main body of the method. Now s is another variable where it will add a plus b. So the result you can see as a message. Result is it will store in a s. So the value will be passed without taking parameters. Okay, so normally what we have done last year without with the help of input stream reader or buffer reader, or we can call. Okay, so next one is methods taking parameters. If our methods taking some parameters, so you can see void accept is a method. Void accept is a method. Int m first parameter, int n second parameter. Two variables are passing through the parameters m and n. Okay, these two variables are passing through the parameters, and you can see, look at the body of the program. A is assigned as m and b equal to n. So these are the actual a and b are the actual variables, and these two are the parameter variables. Okay, variable parameter. In next topic we will discuss about the different types of parameters and different type. Okay, int m, you can see a equal to m and b equal to n. The value of a is equal to m, the value of b equal to n. So method taking parameters. So a and value of a and b will be passed through the math parameters. Third one, methods may or may not return any value. Again, 2 days ago I have explained different types of if return types or return values. Okay, so first one, method not returning value. If methods not returning value, and if it is not returning any value, then the word void is used. Okay, so if a method is not returning any value, so we can use this word void. Okay, void, this void is used to returning any, not returning any value. If method is not returning any value, so this void term will be used. So void, then sum is a method. Okay, then without parameters, and this is the main body of the program, s a plus b, then result will be s. It means method will not return any value. Now look at the another one. If method returning value of primitive data type, so you can see here there is no void. It means method will return some value. Method will return some value, and in this case you can see int sum. Int is a data type, primitive data type. Sum is a method, and after that we have a two parameters, int a and int b. These two are the parameters variable. Okay, parameters. Then you can see the s equal to a plus b is the main method, and return s. This return keyword will come if method will return any value. So this and the value will store in a s. Understood? Method returning value of primitive data type. So it will return value of with the help of integer int. These int are the primitive data type. So it will return the value of primitive data type to the return. This is a keyword return s. Okay, return statement, and it will store in this value s. Understood? So method will method returning value of primitive data types. Now another one, method returning value of non-primitive data. As you know, we have a two data types, primitive and non-primitive data. If method returning first one, now this is method returning value of non-primitive data type. Again, there is no void keyword. It means it will return some value. Method will return some value. Now you can see one int, okay, and one is sum. These two are, sum is a method and int is a array. Okay, in upcoming in this year we will learn about the array. Okay, int and sum. Array is a set of numbers where we can store multiple integers in this structure. Okay, array. So you can see int I and int ar. In this array, 5 numbers are storing in one array. Okay, then after that you can see one loop is there, I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. It means loop will work 0 to 4, 5 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one. Then after that it will return ar. So array will return with the help of this return keyword. So this one method, this array chapter we will learn after second semester. Okay, so you will then at that time you can understand in a better way. Two types of array are here, numerical array and string array. So but these three this one, first one method not taking parameters, this is the first method for defining method. Second one, method taking parameters, you can see. And third one, methods may if methods not returning any value, or then if methods returning value of primitive data type. These four methods are here. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can clear from me and just revise it properly and make a notes accordingly. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.